What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see an example of array elements as counters. Here what we are going to do is we are going to roll a dice. We know that dice has 6 faces, so roll a dice like 1000 times, and we are going to see the frequency of each, if how many times one was like how many times we are getting 1, how many times we are getting 2, something like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and write that program. First I'm going to create a random, because we are just rolling a dice. It's going to be just random numbers. Random is equal to new random, new random, and after that we are going to say integer frequency square bracket that is equivalent to new integer 7. Now here we are going to create a for loop, and we created 7 because the index number always start from 0, so it goes up to from 0 to 6. If we want to get 6, we have to have 7. If we want up to 5, we have to put 6, because if it start from 0, it means when it's 7 it is 6. Okay, so that's why we put 7. We need 6, that's why we put 7. Okay, now we are going to create, I'm going to create a for loop, and here I'm going to initialize roll with 1. Integer roll is equal to 1, and then I set the condition roll is less than 1000, and I do the increment roll plus plus. Here since we want this one from 1 to 6, I'm going to put plus plus frequency 1 plus rand dot next int 6. Okay, system.out print line face \t frequency and then I create a for loop. In this for loop we want to run this one, like we want to go this one from 1 to 6, so int face is equal to 1, so I initialize this one with 1 and set the condition face is less than frequency length, because frequency length is 7, so if we put less than, it's going to be 6. Frequency dot length and we do the increment face plus plus, and after that here I'm going to put a printout statement, that is system dot out print line face plus \t plus frequency face. Okay, now let's go ahead and run this one. Here you can see we are getting 1 to 6. One has we have gotten 1 170 times, 2 147 times, 3 182 times, and until 6 we have, like, we can also initialize with this one with 0, but since there's no phase 0, we will get 0 for that. If we put 0, we will get 0 for that. Okay, so that's why, because in the dice we only have 1 to 6, so that's why we create a program like this. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you're trying to learn Java programming. There are a bunch of videos in my playlist, and also if you are trying to access these codes, I put the link of my blogger in the description. You can get it from there, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.